Okay, so we're looking at the first year core textbook, and we're on mixed exercise 6, which is on circles, and we're on question 6, and we have got a circle with equation, and then we've got obviously the correct structure for the equation of a circle, but then we've got these unknowns here, and we're told it passes through 3, 0, and then we're told there's 2 possible values of k. It's quite handy. So this is an exam question, so we can see this is worth 6 marks, so we're going to be a decent amount of work here. Okay, well, so if it passes through 3, 0, so just jot the full equation down. Okay, so if it passes through 3, 0, then obviously that's x is 3, y is 0. So if I substitute those in, then I am actually going to end up with an equation just in terms of k. So I will be able to solve it, and it's going to be a quadratic. So that explains why they're saying 2 possible values. So so the first set of brackets, so 3 minus k, I'll tell you what, let's write the whole thing out. So that's what I've got to expand for that first set of brackets. Obviously the second is actually just minus 3k all squared. So that's going to give me 9 minus 6k plus k squared, and then if I'm squaring minus 3 k, that's going to be 9k squared. So I have got a 3-term quadratic, so I've got 10k squared minus 6k. If I minus the 13, that's going to give me minus 4. You can put this into your calculator. If I cancel through by 2, it'll make it easier to factorise. I'm assuming it does, it might not. So it's worth checking. Well, if it does factorise, obviously 5 and 2 are both prime, so it has to be 5k and k. And then if I go for minus 5k plus 2k, I think we're away. So that's going to be minus 5 over 2, and that's going to give me k as 1. Okay, so given that k is greater than 0, so that's basically telling me to use k as 1, because obviously minus 5. So those are both valid answers for part A, but then for part B, obviously it's got to be the positive one. Write down the equation of a circle, yeah, so this is only worth 1 mark, because really this would probably be a follow-through mark as well, even if your k was wrong, because all I need to do is basically go back to that and substitute in k as 1. So that really is, oh, I want you to highlight a pen though, that really is straightforward. So it's just going to be x minus 1 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is 13. Let's just check, not anything silly. Nope, we're good.